Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore the updated method for searching videos in Google Drive on your PC. Google Drive has made it easier than ever to find the files you're looking for, especially when it comes to videos. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. This is your starting point for accessing all your files stored in Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Drive interface, which is where all your documents, images, and videos are organized. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you can enter keywords or phrases related to the video you want to find. To access advanced search options, look for the advanced search icon, which appears as a small down arrow, or a funnel icon next to the search bar. Click on this icon to expand your search capabilities. In the advanced search menu, you'll see several filters that allow you to narrow down your search results. From the Type drop-down menu, select Videos. This option will filter your search results specifically to show only video files stored in your Google Drive. Now that you've set your search parameters, it's time to find the video you want. After selecting Videos, simply click on the search button or press Enter. Google Drive will display all video files that match your criteria. Browse through the results until you find the specific video you're looking for. Once you've located your desired video, just click on it to open or play it directly from Google Drive. If you need to share it or take further action, options will be available once the video is open. And that's it. With these simple steps, searching for videos in Google Drive has never been easier. Remember, utilizing advanced search features can save you a lot of time and make managing your files much more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Drive effectively.